Good morning, people. Today we're going to talk about collidable Vox models. So you have now the option of setting whether you can walk through a Vox model or get stopped by it. So here, for example, I've got this Vox model in the doorway to represent, for example, a secret passage or a trapdoor. So we've got this Vox model here, which is a collidable, and when I'm going to click on it, this is what I want at least. I want to be able to click on it and go through it, and then it becomes a collidable again. So how we'll do that is I'll press E. First off is set to collidable here, and then in the scripting field I'm going to add my little script, which is very straightforward. Alright, so JS fiddle, and here we go. So feature dot on click E event, and so here what we do is we go feature dot set curly brackets, got them collidable to false. Whoa, what is going on here? False, there we go. Sweet. So now it's set to false, but we want to make sure that it goes back to being a collidable object after 2 seconds, for example. So set timeout, double black brackets, and then curly brackets. So that's a function, and that function is going to tell it to become a collidable again. Here, set it to true. Awesome. But let's not forget number of seconds, milliseconds. So here I'm gonna put it to 2000 for 2 seconds, and that's pretty much it. So copy that, E, script, paste, and there we go. Alright, refresh, and let's see if it worked. I'm just gonna wait a little bit for the whole map to load. Sick. Alright, so it is a collidable, and if I click on it, it is not anymore. And then if I try to go back, it is again, and not anymore. So 2 seconds. Hop, click, go through, 1, 2, and it's not a collidable anymore. So there you go. Now you can easily make secret passages or trapdoors, or yeah, you guys can have fun.